Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to adjustment, hue saturation, select red, make saturation -100%, select yellow, make saturation +20%, select green, saturation -100%, select cyan, saturation -100%, select blue, saturation -100%, select magenta, saturation -100%. Adjustment, selective colors. Here select color reds, make cyan -100%, magenta -100%, yellow +100%, black -100%. Select color yellow, cyan -100%, black -5%. Keep rest as same 0. Select color green, here make all slide bar -100%. Select color cyan, here make all slide bar -100%. Select color blue, here also make all slide bar -100%. Select color magenta, all slide bar -100%. Select color whites, here make cyan, magenta, yellow, all slide bar -100%. Black -20%. Select color neutrals, black +10%, and keep rest as same 0. Select color blacks, yellow +10%, black +10%. Keep rest as same 0. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.